Okay, give me a pose like you're gonna fly.
No.
I thought Batman flew. Okay, give me a pose like you're lifting that in the air, heavy. Nice. Now turn around. Now give me a pose like you're about to fight crime. Like you're punching someone. Nice. Give me a pose like you're going to climb a building. Nice. Give me a few punches. Good job. Give me a few kicks. Nice. Do a twirl. Why don't you do a Batman dance? That's good. That is good. Now give me happy Batman. Can you look up? Look up in the sky like you see a plane. Go like this. Nice. Now do whatever you want. Nice. I like your arms. You punching that? Grab onto those bars and say, "Let me out." Okay, come here. Give a message to Lauren and Logan. Give a message to Lauren and Logan. Say, "Be good." Or Batman's gonna get you. Can you say Happy Halloween? Here, I can't see your face. Say Happy Halloween. Honey, I can't hear you unless you look up. Say, "I want my cheesy poofs." Say Lauren, Logan, and go like this. Go, "Be good." Or Batman is gonna spank your bum. Now shake your booty. Now jump up in the air. Now turn around. Like you're gonna fly. Like this. Whee! Okay. Look up. Go up, up, and away. Okay, are you all done?